In this video, I'm going to show you how to use diet breaks in MacroFactor. So if you don't have the application downloaded, make sure to go and download it. And if you don't have an account or you are not logged in, make sure to go log in into your account or create an account. The application is paid, but you can get a 7 days free trial for $1 if you want to. So what is a diet break? A diet break is a short period, usually from 1 to 2 weeks, where you return to maintenance calories during a fat loss phase. It helps, as an example, with hunger, stress, and metabolic adaptation. It doesn't reverse the fat progression if done right. So how to take a diet break in MacroFactor? If you're using the coach mode as example, you can just go here now to strategy and set your new goal. So let's say, example, your new goal was to lose weight. Now you'll have to set it into maintain weight. Just go and choose the weights that you want to maintain. Click on done. Then you'll have to set your new program. Or just go with coach, the best option. You can choose balance. Of course, here you can choose whatever you want. It's totally up to you. For me, I'm just going to answer questions randomly, but for you, just read the question like, how would you like to distribute calories throughout the week? Do you want it to be evenly through the whole week, or it could be shifted depending on specific days? So you can go and click on next. Once you answer the question, click on next and stuff. Once it's done, once they set your new program, you can click on done, get started, click on dashboard, and here you'll be able to see the calories that you'll need to eat each day. And if you didn't eat it or eat as an example, here you'll find the stuff that is remaining. So you can add the food that you eat also from here, food logs. You can go to the hour that you ate as an example. Maybe I ate something at 11 p.m. and I can go and add whatever I ate, maybe banana, apple, fruits, not fruits, totally up to you. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.